Welcome to the next part, creating session variable. So anyway, I've explained how to create session variable in the earlier session itself. Here we are going to see how to create a session variable in a theoretical version. So for that, you have to go to process, use the data item, open the data item properties. In that, you have to change the exposure option to session variable. So once you change the option to session variable, you can give the initial value over there and type the data item name and just click OK so that the variable will be getting applied to a session variable. So to see the session variable or to change the value during a runtime in the process for a session variable, you have to go to control room. And when the process start running, you have to select the process, then click show session variable as highlighted in the screen. So when you click show session variable, it is going to list you the list of session variable which you've used in your process. You can be able to see those session variable in the second screenshot which is attached. You can click the variable, any one of the variable whichever you want, and right clicking on that you will have option to edit. So you can still modify the value, modify the session variable value from control room as well, which means like the value which you define in your process is not going to be the static value. It's going to be, it is easy to modify when the process running. You can even still modify it when it is running or in between the run wherever it is required. So we are going to see this modification part and how to view the session variable in control room in the next session. So we are back again to the Blue Prism screen. Here we are going to see how to see the session variables or modify the session variable based on the requirement. So we are going to see the basic process because that is already having the session variable. Just connect it to the bot to run and right click and start the bot so that it's going to start running. And then it is when it is in the running mode, just select the process and use show session variable link, which is available here in the blue under link part. As soon as you click that, you will have the section will get loaded below that, showing the list of session variables which is used in the process. Now you can be able to see stop after time and stop after item as two session variables, and it is having the proper descriptions as well. Proper into that you will have a values. In case if you want to change the value, just right click and click on the edit value will have you pop up. In that pop up you can be able to update the values. So after updating the value, you have to click modify. So once you click modify, the value which you have entered is going to get effective into your process immediately without any further delay. So that is the major concept, or that is the importance of session variable. If you want to do any changes into your process when it is running or in the running mode, you can do those changes by right clicking and going to the session variable. That will get effective into the process immediately without any delays. So So that is how the session variable is being used into your process or used when it is running mode. So see you in the next part.